Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate Ultimate Membership with MemberPress. Now, go to the MemberPress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the MemberPress integration page. Here, you can set lots of default integrations. Enable Ultimate Membership integration and their other options. MemberPress provide multiple integrations option, like exclude taxes and reject commission on refund or fail payment. After set all options, then click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the MemberPress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using this link, any customer visit your site. Customer open your link and then purchase your affiliate product. Open the subscription plan page. Purchase any membership. Click to Sign Up button. Enter the basic details. Select the payment method and click to Register button.
Now, see membership is purchased, go to the MemberPress commission page.
This is the MemberPress commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is Platinum Membership product entry. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. Enter the username and password and click to Login button. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab and see your commission record. Affiliate user also set Disable Commission in Product-wise. Go to the Ultimate Membership Pro Memberships page. This is the Manage Membership Plans page. Add new membership, otherwise edit existing membership.
Go to the bottom side and see the Disable Commissions option.
Enable this option and stop MemberPress commission. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.